Where in the Bible Jesus said, I am God, worship me? I get this question a lot. And I say, I'm not going to tell you this. You're just in the argument mood. You don't want to listen. You don't want to be convinced. Just show me in the Bible what it says that Jesus is God. I will be a Christian right now. It's like, hey, you are not. You're just using the, Middle Eastern way of confronting things. And, oh, I'm going to be a Christian if you prove to me this and that. You're not. You're not. You're not. So I don't get intimidated. I don't feel I need even to explain to you because you don't want to know. But I'm going to tell you one more thing. If you're really tough guy or a tough girl as you come to my videos, I want to tell you a thing. If you really dare, go to your room alone and seek the living God. Tell him, I don't know what your name is Allah or Jesus or whatever. You, the living God, reveal yourself to me and I will worship you no matter what. Pray this prayer and go to sleep. And call me in a week and see what God's going to do to you. If you are tough enough, do this.